How to add or change your bio on your Wattpad profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add or change your about section on Wattpad. So all what you have to do is go to Wattpad app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture, and it will take you to this page. Now go to the top corner right here and click on this little icon. Now choose the first option, which is account settings, and click on it like this. Now you will find many options here, as you can see. All what you have to do is click on the about here. Click on about and now add your bio. Welcome to my world, for example, and click OK. Now it's updated to my profile, as you can see right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.